We're healers, my whole family. And it goes way back generation after generation. I've seen my mother and my grandmother give my older brother this cough syrup and broke up the double pneumonia on it. It works. You take just about 80 proof whiskey, put in a half a pint. You use good honey, about a half a pint. And then you put about 6 or 8 pieces of peppermint candy, crush it up, about a half a teaspoon. You stir it up real good and you put it on the burner and you let it sit on there low heat until that candy is all dissolving. And that is the way that you make my Grandma Martha's homemade cough syrup.